Come test drive the 2017 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, fog lights, front-wheel drive, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, navigation system, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.